I'm looking at something. I have no idea what this is. Okay, this guy is stuck on the net. Did he die? Dude, what's happening with this guy? He's stuck on there. What? That thing is stuck. What is happening there? That's so weird. How is that thing? This guy's tripping, man. This thing is stuck into the fabric at the pool. And he's stuck in this umbrella fabric. So I've got scissors. And I'm going to try to cut this guy down and see if he flies away. Okay, I'm gonna cut right here and see what happens. Whoa. What's he doing? Let's set him down over here and see what he does. Is he stuck on there? I don't know. He's on it now. He knows he's got a little bit of freedom now. What's he doing in that thing? I'll try to pull it away from him. He's stuck on that thing or what? I don't want to cut him. I don't know what he's doing. Get up, you fool. He's weird. I don't know. Fly away. What's he doing? There he goes. He's off of it. What happened? Bro, what is that, bro? It's part of a honeycomb or something. You don't want nothing to do with that thing now, huh? Okay. Check you later, bro. Okay, done with my swim. Back at the table. And all is the honeycomb. I don't see the yellow jacket anywhere. Peace out.